Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve buffering problem in YouTube Revanced. So first things first, what you're going to do is go to your profile and then go to settings. And then after that, click the RVX app. And then what you're going to do is go to miscellaneous, or you can just search for spoof and find this option. Enable the spoof app version and then click OK and then click cancel and then click the edit spoof app version and then type this format. And then after that, click OK and then restart your app, and then that should be solved your problem. Now if it doesn't work, you must now update your application, and then that's it guys. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.